Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I figured I'll switch it up since I don't want to drive you guys crazy about all the baby videos. But for this one, I will be cleaning out our fridge because I like to do this at least like when our refrigerator is like low and it's time for us to go grocery shopping. And it just so happens that this is like the night before trash night. So if I can get this out the way at least once a month, maybe once every 2, then I'm golden. All you need is a microfiber cloth of any color or brand. I just ordered a pack of these from Amazon, and then I have a DIY all-purpose cleaner that I'm going to use in a bit. So, as well as a trash can for all the trash of all the expired things that we're about to find. This is our refrigerator along with everything that's on the door. First step, you just want to clear everything out, and let me just turn the door alarm off. And you want to do the same for everything that's on the door as well. Then I'm just going to spray. Now that everything had a moment to sit, I'm going to start with the inside of the refrigerator and then I'll spray it out. And I'm just going to wipe it out with a microfiber cloth. So I finished cleaning out the refrigerator, and our next step, we are going to take another microfiber cloth and we're going to wipe out all of our groceries that came out the refrigerator and put them back in that has not expired as well. And anything that is about to expire or close to expire, I'm either cook tonight or toss.